At Chandigarh University, a single spark of curiosity can ignite an entire chain reaction. Meet Aryan, B.Sc Honours in Data Science. He digs through oceans of raw data, searching for hidden patterns in plain sight.
Imagine a bot that doesn't just listen, it understands human behavior.
Nisha's in B.Tech IT. She loves turning ideas into solutions you can actually touch.
Brains ready, let's bolt on the senses. Eyes that see, ears that hear, and hands that help.
Raghav is an M.Sc Data Science student, the code whisperer. He refines the AI model, making it smarter by the minute.
Let's test on real-time data. Bigger the challenge, sharper the model.
Simran is an MBA in Data Science and AI student. She is the bridge between innovation and impact.
This isn't sci-fi. It's a market-ready assistant that will launch mankind to future.
And Karan, he's B.Tech Computer Science Engineering. He ties it all together. Coding, networks, security, so their vision stays rock solid.
More than just code, it is backbone for tomorrow.
Join Chandigarh University Uttar Pradesh campus. Your ideas don't stop in the classroom. They connect, they grow, they transform the world.